Excellency President Alexander Kwaśniewski of the Republic of Poland, and I invite him to the lectern. You have the floor, Your Excellency.
Mr. President, Mr. Secretary General, distinguished head of states and governments, ladies and gentlemen, here in Johannesburg, in the Republic of South Africa, which has proved that one can overcome even the most dramatic past, develop new horizons and opportunities. Our imagination and will to act must go beyond the borders of the countries we represent, since the problems we are facing went beyond these borders a long time ago. Here, we must prove that we are not only the representatives of states, but also the members of the community of mankind, co-responsible inhabitants of Earth. It has been 10 years ago, in Rio de Janeiro, the documents adopted